Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome back if you've been here before. My name's Gary and I'm an ordinary bloke and I'm just sharing the stuff that I do. I just wanted to do a quick update on the Ukraine video we did, a week or so ago now. It was just sharing an idea by far more creative people than me, I should point out, that we can maybe help the Ukrainian economy in the future by making orders now for kits and accessories made in Ukraine. Have a look at the original video, it explains all of this much more clearly. I did want to just thank everyone who has responded positively and who have also given me names of companies that I missed out in the original video. I've corrected any lists in the first video in the information box below, and all of the names I hope now are scrolling in front of me as I speak. This is the most up-to-date list I have as I record this. If anything changes, I will add it to the information box below here and the information box on the original video. Please continue to let me know if I've missed anything off or misspelt anything or I've got something wrong. Let me know. I want this to be accurate, okay? Secondly, I wanted to send a huge thank you to Scalemates.com. Now, if you don't know their site already, you should get acquainted with it. They're really good at letting you know what kits are coming up, what kits have actually been released. More importantly, more interestingly sometimes, the history of kits as well. So if a producer you're very familiar with maybe decides they're going to release a new 1/72 Lancaster, for example, you can go on the website and check, is this actually a new toolkit, or is it a new boxing of an old kit, maybe with new decals, or is it just a reboxing of something they first produced in 1965? It helps you decide what you actually want to spend your money on. They're really helpful. What they are doing now, and this is remarkable, is that anything produced in Ukraine, be they model kits, accessories, photo etch, masks, whatever they are, anything produced in Ukraine on their listing has a little Ukrainian flag next to it. And I'll just go through a quick search online and I'll show you what I mean. Right, so here's the Scalemates website and I am going to look for a kit to buy for myself and want to know a bit about it. So I fancy making an OV10 Bronco and I want to make it in 1/48 scale. And everything that's in 1/48 relating to the OV10 Bronco is listed here. Lots and lots of things, all the way down, masks, nameplates, you name it. Okay, so we'll go down to kits first of all. And here, Schematic, Hawk, whoever they are, Hazmat, never heard of. And here you see next to ICM, the little Ukrainian flag. It's quite discreet, it's quite well hidden away, it's not making a huge statement, but it is there. It's there to say this is a Ukrainian kit. So we could order one of those from whatever supplier suits us, or indeed go down to our local shop and ask them to get it for us. We can also check out the accessories online. There's the resin wheels by ResKit, which is fantastic. Interior decal sets as well. All sorts of things. There's even paint masks. There we go. Clear Prop do some paint masks as well. So lots of products to buy, all identified by their little Ukrainian flag on the Scalemates website. So that helps out enormously. See what I mean? Brilliant. Very subtle. Very dignified. But very informative. If you're into buying stuff that's made in Ukraine to help boost their order books for when they can get back in production full time, that is the best possible way of finding out. I've already got that ICM Bronco on its way. I can't wait to share that with you. Now, to the few people who decide that this is the right venue to start discussing geopolitics or to post slogans for one side or other, do you know what? Please don't bother. If you had looked at the original video, you will know this is not about politics. This is about the innocent people being caught up in the stupidity of other people. That's the way wars are these days, especially in this industrial technological age. The people who really suffer, I mean really suffer, are generally speaking totally innocent. It's their houses that are being destroyed, their livelihoods that are being disrupted. Okay? I personally don't care who started this, right? I most certainly don't care who you think started it. I've got my own opinions. I keep them to myself. I just want you to as well. If you want to rant about politics or post your slogans, do so somewhere else where someone else actually is going to listen and care. If you do it on my channel, I will just simply delete your post. It doesn't belong here, okay? Go and do something else with your life. I'm not interested. For those of you that have asked if you can share the original post, and maybe even this one, on other channels or through other social media outlets, I say please do. Please feel free. There's only two things I ask of you in order for you to share the material. Firstly, is that you only use it to support the idea of helping the innocent civilians of Ukraine get over it, get over this appalling nonsense, and are able to start to rebuild their lives. Okay? If you want to use it for political purposes, absolutely no, you may not. But for charitable purposes, absolutely you can. And the other condition is, if you make money by posting the video, and I know some of you can't help it because your channels are monetized, either on YouTube or elsewhere, that's cool, but please, that money that you make needs to go to an accredited charity that is there to help either the displaced people who have left Ukraine or to support the people who are still in Ukraine trying to deal with this insane situation. Okay, those are the only two conditions. If you meet those, repost it, share it as widely as you possibly can, because the more people that know about it and join in, the more likely it is to make a proper difference to these people. Now, the next video I put up, I promise, is going to be about modelling. In fact, it will be the first of a regular Monday Matters posting. So every Monday morning I'll be posting a video. It will have on a review of what's new, a bit of gossip, a bit of chat, and I'll be just reviewing the things I've been up to the previous week and maybe a look at the things I'm going to do in the week following. It's just an update to keep us all on the same page, and if you've got any news you want to share, do so. Just drop me a line through the comments. I'll be really happy to share them with everyone else. So after all of that, thank you again for listening, and I hope I'll see you on Monday, and then after that for all sorts of other videos I post. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you soon, and happy modelling.